In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a flyer in OpenArt. We'll move from the home page all the way to polished AI-generated visuals you can use as the centerpiece of your flyer. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Hover over the image section to reveal the creative tools. From there, click Create Image to open the generation workspace. This is where you'll set up your flyer concept. At the top, choose a model or character style by clicking the Switch option. Different models produce different looks. Some are more photographic, others more illustrative, so pick one that fits your event or brand vibe. If you're unsure, start with a general-purpose model and adjust later. Next, write a clear prompt in the prompt box. Describe the subject, the setting, and the mood of your flyer. Mention colors and lighting, and note practical layout needs like clean background, room at the top for headline, or minimal text area near the bottom. The more precise your prompt, the easier it is to overlay typography later. Before generating, change the aspect ratio. For flyers, portrait or vertical sizes work best because they mirror print and mobile poster formats. Choose a vertical ratio that complements your content. Taller layouts emphasize a central subject and leave natural space for titles and details. If you have a style reference, you can add it. This is optional, but a reference image helps the AI match a specific aesthetic, brand texture, or color scheme. Likewise, if you already have an inspiration image to guide composition, click Image to Image. That option is also optional and simply nudges the results toward your example while still following your prompt. Decide how many images you want to generate. More images give you more variety to choose from, though they may take a bit longer. Once everything looks good, click Create to start the generation. Now, wait for the AI to process and display the results. Review each image with a designer's eye. Check for a clear focal point, adequate breathing room for text, legible contrast, and a layout that matches the energy of your event. If a result feels too busy, consider simplifying descriptive details next time. If it lacks impact, strengthen the mood words or color cues. And that's the full flow for creating a flyer-ready visual in OpenArt. From selecting a model, shaping a focus prompt, choosing a vertical aspect ratio, optionally guiding with references to generating and reviewing your options.